All right, guys, thanks. This is for Ashley Bates's BA12 9.6. Looks like a beautiful book. All right, guys. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go live in 2 seconds. The list changes will be reflected on giveaway. Okay. So I'll show you those numbers. Okay. All right, guys. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go live. We are live. Okay. We have a local timer here of 8:32 p.m. I'm going to come over and we're going to refresh this. There's your 8:32 p.m. and we're going to show you our list. All right. It should be 84 names. There we go. It's 84 names, 84 spots. Okay. Capital letters. Spot 69 is Alan Martin. He bought that one from Robert Green. 43. I believe that was Brian's spot or Robert's spot, one or the other, and spot 37. So those three were the spots that were open because they weren't paid for within a whole day. 24 hours this thing closed. All right, thanks for everyone else's payments. Ashley Bates's BA12. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the time again really quick. Okay. All right, guys. Here we go. We're going to roll the dice, 3 dice. We're going to begin this giveaway. Shows 11. There's the first round. Go 11 rounds, guys. There's 2. That's 3. There's 4. 5 rounds. 6 rounds. 7th. 8. That's the 9th. 10th. All right. Next top spot wins this book, and you will contact Ashley Bates at the end of this video. And he will get in touch with you in a few hours because he's asleep. And good luck. And your winner is spot 43, Alan Martin. We have the BA12, 11 spots, 11 spots. We're going to scroll down here and we are going to show you our verification code CJZQBC. CJZQBC 834 here. 834 here. I'm going to show you 835. Everything just flipped. Again, 11 rounds. It's about 43. All right, guys. Congratulations. We are done.